I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming because
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crissy Marie. If you are new here, today's video is going to be a day in the life vlog of a mom and her 4 kiddos. I am doing some work in my room. I am washing dishes, cleaning up the house. This is a sponsored video by Binoc, so I would love to say thank you to Binoc for sponsoring today's video, and I will talk about them a little bit more later in the video. I want to know down in the comments who makes their bed every single day. I used to be in a really good habit of making my bed every day, first thing in the morning. Before I would do anything else, I would brush my teeth and make my bed. And now I always forget to make my bed and I feel underaccomplished throughout the day. So I really want to get back on track and learn how to get back into that space of making my bed every day, because it made me feel like a rock star every single day and it made me feel like I've accomplished great things throughout the day. So let me know down in the comments, do you make your bed every day or do you not make your bed every day?
you say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. Our broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be.
So today's video is sponsored by Binoc, and they did launch in 2021 with the idea that parenting could be easier with the help of technology innovation. Binoc makes the long-range baby monitor with no Wi-Fi needed that we have in the house. I've been using it for Maxwell for the last month and a half to 2 months, and I absolutely love it. All right, you guys, I just put Maxwell down for a nap, and the reason and the way I'm able to put him down for his much needed naps is he is 8 months old, so he needs like 16 hours of sleep a day. So all throughout the day, you guys know I have 3 other kiddos who live with me that are 7, 5, and 4, and they are super busy, active little girls. And the reason and the way I'm able to be able to work from home and get anything done, get cooking, cleaning done while he's sleeping, and doing it all with a peace of mind is because of my Binoc baby monitor. This is Binoc's long range non-Wi-Fi baby monitor, and I've been using it for the last 2 months. I did ask the company to give me extra time to use this so I can give you guys a super honest review on how I really feel and what I like about this baby monitor. I've been putting this baby monitor to the test to see how it works because I've had and went through So many different baby monitors, you guys. I'm honestly sick and tired of looking for the right baby monitor, but after all this time and all these years, I think I found one. I've went outside and cut the grass with this monitor. I've went as far as to check the mail with this monitor. I've went outside with the big girls and played outside with them in the water with this baby monitor. My bedroom is on the other side of the house where Maxwell's bedroom is, so they're on opposite ends, and sometimes he does sleep in there, so when he's taking a nap or when I lay him down to go to sleep, I definitely turn on this baby monitor so I can have peace of mind while he is sleeping, knowing that he is getting a good night's nap and a good night's sleep. When we had a yard sale, it was so noisy inside the house and outside of the house. There was so much ruckus and buckus going throughout the house and outside. It was so noisy with so many customers outside, and I was nervous I wasn't going to be able to hear him when he woke up. He was taking a nap for most of the yard sale. I would put him down and I would turn on my baby monitor and I would have the best peace of mind. Without Bannock's long range baby monitor, there would be no way I would be able to know during the yard sale if Maxwell was awake or asleep. It had absolutely perfect connection, super clear, color. I've been through so many baby monitors, and this one is by far has exceeded all of them. You guys, this has no Wi-Fi connection, which is my absolute favorite part of this monitor. There is not going to be any Wi-Fi that's going to fail or connect and reconnect. If the Wi-Fi goes out, I'll still have my baby monitor. I don't have to take the time to put an app on my phone or to connect through my phone and use Bluetooth. No interruptions with this baby monitor because there is no connection with Wi-Fi. Another really important part using this baby monitor that I really admire about the company making this baby monitor is that since there is no Wi-Fi, I don't have to worry about hackers hacking into my son's room and watching him sleep or hacking into some part of our house. We obviously don't want anyone watching our kiddos, so there is absolutely no risk with no Wi-Fi involved. Also, there is no unauthorized access to my baby's room, so I have peace of mind while using this Bannock long-range baby monitor. Another thing I really like and enjoy about this monitor is the battery life. Guys, I legitimately have not charged this monitor in 3 weeks since we had our yard sale. I don't want to be stuck and time consumed charging my baby monitor in order to see my baby sleeping and to have peace of mind, and to not have peace of mind while I'm stuck charging it and making sure it's charged 100%. The battery life on this is absolutely amazing. I want to be mobile and play with my other kids, and I don't want to have to worry about charging this guy. There are dimmable light screens on here, and there are bright light screens also. It's in full color, and the color is amazing. I really like that there's crystal clear images. Night vision's amazing on here. 4x zoom on here, 2x zoom. It does come with a fisheye lens, and another really cool part is the pan is 350 degrees on here and 115 degree tilt. So if you want to get your hands on a Bannock long range non-Wi-Fi baby monitor, then definitely check out the link below in the description box for 30% off. Thank you so much. I want to thank you so much, Bannock, for sponsoring today's portion of this video.
When I shut my feelings out, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need.
So I have a dishwasher built into the kitchen, but I often find myself filling the dishwasher up mainly with cups, bowls, and plates, and silverware, and things like that. And then with the pots and pans and the big Tupperware, I end up washing them by hand. And I like washing my dishes by hand a little bit more. There is nothing that beats the feeling and hearing the sound of your dishwasher running at the end of the night or during the day, but there is something special about hand washing your dishes and making sure they're all getting super clean. Let me know down in the comments, do you hand wash your dishes or do you use a dishwasher?
There's something different about the way we are. Cup after cup, yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. what we're doing is bad. There's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna.
We're taking a little break. Marcus came over on his lunch break and I'm starving, so together we whipped up some fried eggs. There's a fried egg under here, some beans that I meal prepped. These are just pinto beans with like garlic, onion, cumin, bay leaf, and then we put avocado and tomato on it, and we're about to grub. We just ate and the kids are outside playing with water balloons that I got them from Costco, and I'm going to make some Just Bare lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. Super yummy. These are a big hit in the house. We buy, I think, 2 bags of them a month, and we get them from Costco. This is what they look like. And then we just put them on for 17 minutes and press play. This is done, and the kids love to eat their chicken nuggets with the Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A that I found at Walmart. So Layla's 6th birthday party is coming up, and I just got in a package of things from Temu for her birthday party, for her decorations. So I wanted to share everything with you guys. It is going to be a Barbie birthday party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. And I am in the middle of making, I'm in the process of making her her birthday cards, which I've never done before. I normally just send out a text to everyone, like a group text to everyone with the birthday information, our address, what time it's on, the date, and what theme it is. But this time I'm going to take advantage of Canva app and use it on my computer and make a invitation for her either on Canva or using my Cricut. I haven't decided yet. But here's all the cute things that we got for her 6th birthday party, so I'm going to get ready to show you guys. I got this happy birthday tiara for her. It was like $1. This is going to be the centerpiece table that I'm going to decorate inside the house. The tablecloth, it's an iridescent silver one, and it's super pretty. So this is going to be the base of, it's going to be an outside birthday party, but I'm going to have a table, our dining room table, decorated with a ton of Barbie stuff and all the food inside. So the dining room table is going to have this shiny silver iridescent tablecloth on it. And then I got two pack. You guys, if you are looking to decorate for a birthday party, forget Amazon, because these are like $10 on Amazon. No, actually $12 on Amazon, and they were 3 something on Temu. So they were 2 of them. On Amazon's like 12, 13 bucks. They're like $6 or $7 each. And for a 2-pack, and I got a 2-pack for $3.48 or something like that from Temu. And my order only took like 7 days to get here. So it's a couple more days extra than Amazon for shipping, but it's definitely worth it because you save a ton of freaking money, like a ton of money. So I got foil curtains that I'm going to put throughout the house. I got a 2-pack and a 2-pack, so I got 4 altogether. I'm going to put together the cutest balloon garland. This was $9 on Temu. This one here was $9 on Temu. Really pretty Barbie colors, so I'm excited about this. I got some little slinkies for gift bags. Look how cute all of these heart-shaped glasses are for gift bags. These were like $6 or $7 for all of these. I think there's 24 in here, but super cute. I got 2 packs of these for gift bags, little colorful bracelets. These I think are going to be for cake pops if I have enough energy. If I have the energy to make cake pops, I'm going to make bright pink cake pops. These little packets of stickers are for gift bags, and I'm going to just kind of scatter them around the table. And then what I'm mostly excited about is the gift bags. I was going to order a 6-pack for $42 on Amazon, and I was going to order it times 3. So it was going to be like 120 bucks just for the gift bags. And then Marcus was like, why didn't you look on Temu? Like, what's up with Temu? So I was like, oh yeah, let me go look on Temu. So I went to the Temu website, and I got these for $2 each, you guys. Or they were like $1.80 something. So I totally made out. I got, I think, 18 of them. And they're so, so cute. The little girls are going to have so much fun with these. They're perfect for a Barbie party. And I'm so excited to stuff them with confetti and bracelets and sunglasses and all of that good stuff. Also, over here, I got some $4 mama hats. These are so cute. I got a matte black one, a dusty rose pink one, and a yellowy one. I'm super excited to sport these. These are super cute. They were $4, and this whole Temu haul is all stuff that I bought myself. It's not sponsored or anything. I just jumped on the Temu haul, and I was on the Temu site, and I was like, let me go and get things for Layla's party. So if you guys are into my party vlogs, I have the cutest Barbie party coming up. It's going to be April or August 12th. Her birthday is August 13th, and we're having her party August 12th. So super excited about that. You guys stay tuned for all things party. I'm going to have a couple of party DIYs and Barbie DIYs and all that fun stuff. So if you're looking for a birthday party inspiration or Barbie inspiration, definitely subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for those upcoming videos. So this is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you.